Hey everybody, it's Natasha. Today I'm going to be chatting about what I'm going to be taking with me to Europe. So first of all, I'll talk you through all the essential items, then I'll chat to you about what clothes I'll be taking. So I'm making this video as I want to help other people who are thinking of backpacking or backpacking Europe more specifically. I have never done it before. And I'm actually travelling alone. I have travelled to New York by myself before when I was last summer, and I really enjoyed going by myself. I found that I spoke to more people because I was pushed to do that because of not having been with anybody. So yeah, I'm really excited. I'm going to go on Monday. My first place I'm going to is Amsterdam. So I'm just in the process of making sure that I have everything organised, like having my European medical card, having an up-to-date provisional licence, having a backpack that's big enough, and just making sure that I haven't forgotten anything, because then I'll be way more relaxed and chilled. So yeah, I'm just going to chat to you about what I'm taking and give everyone some ideas. I could be taking a little bit too much. I'm hoping to fit everything into my 40 litre because I've been watching a few other people's videos on YouTube, and a lot of them have been saying that you should try and pack light because they say pack for 7 days and you can wash your stuff. So yeah, this is what I am taking with me then. Hey, I'm actually sat on my floor right now because it's more comfortable than standing up. So I'll talk through my first thing. I literally got a majority of this stuff from Poundland. So camping pillow, basically blows up and it takes up very little space. That would be very useful for on the coach journeys. Okay, and 2-in-1 shampoo because it just means I don't have to carry as many things, because why not just get a shampoo and conditioner in one. I'm taking 3 toothbrushes because toothbrushes can get quite worn out quickly, and I'm going for 2 months. Also, I got myself a portable charger, and it cost me £30, and it charges up to 7 times, which is pretty good. And here is some baby wipes, because we all need baby wipes in our life. Especially when you're probably not going to have access to a shower as much as you want to, so quite good for underarms and things. Also got myself these little padlocks from Poundworld. These ones aren't great, but they'll do. And this one I got from, what did I get it from? A Pound Saver or something. And I also have myself a bigger one for my actual locker when I'm at the hostel. I also got myself one of those things that wraps around your neck to help me sleep on the coach. So there it is. I got this ages ago in the airport in New York, ages ago. And then here's my passport, which we all need, and a disposable camera because I love them. And then I got myself these sunglasses, and these are actually from Primark, surprisingly, and they are really nice, and they cost me £2, so yeah, these are good. Look at these. And also toothpaste and body wash for the shower, deodorant, Factor 50 sun cream, which I'm actually wearing right now, hence why my face is really shiny, because, well, I am really pale, so I need this Factor 50 it's literally a dull day in England and I still wear it. So yeah, this is probably going to be used for my body as well whilst I'm in Europe, because I'm hoping it's going to be sunny. I also got a planning map thing that my sister got me for my birthday. Yeah, and it's a map of Europe, which comes in handy. I also got myself this really cool phase book and dictionary, because when I'm in different countries I might want to say things, basic things, and has all the basic translations in here, so that'll be really useful. And also things like shavers, and hand sanitizer, which always comes in handy, especially when you wear contact lenses, because you need to make sure your hands are clean, and I'm wearing my contacts right now. And a sun cap, my makeup bag, which I'm basically hoping though that I won't need to wear too much makeup, because it just gets like, when it's really hot and like you have makeup on, it just feels really grim. So at the moment I'm only wearing eye makeup and sun cream, so I'm hoping I can get away with just wearing this amount of makeup, because it's just like no effort at all. But probably when I'm like on a night out I will put makeup on, because you can see my bags. But yeah, big purse for all the different currencies I'll be having. Travel card, travel tag things that you need to put on your bag. With Flixbus, they ask you to put these travel tags onto your rucksack. I don't really know why, I guess so they can identify it's yours. My glasses case, earplugs and mask set, which I think might come in handy because I'm going to like party hostels, which might be quite loud. Mobile phone and perfume. This is actually a really good perfume. It's Britney Spears, I think it's called Mystique, but it's lovely. And a little hairbrush that I can put in my bag, my little side bag. And contact lenses. I've got these dailies because like I just can't be bothered cleaning them, because it's just, yeah, it's a lot of effort. So yeah, but usually I have the ones that you reuse because it's like, it's cheaper. Psychology book, because when I'm on the coach I might not be tired and I might think, let's do some reading, because you're having so much fun and you never study anymore. So yeah, I've got this massive psychology book that I'm hoping to read whilst I am travelling from place to place or just having downtime. So yeah, I'll be reading this bad boy. So then also, this is like a travel book that I got ages ago because I just love the pattern, and it's literally so beautiful inside. Just look at that paper, it's so nice. And what I'm doing is, in this book I'm gonna basically write each place I go to, so like Amsterdam, what I did that day and just like who I met, and then I'm gonna like print out some photos and stick it in. So my dad really likes stamps, so he gave me these stamps and I thought they looked really nice in the book, so I've put like stamps, and I'm hopefully going to try and relate what I'm doing to the stamps, because some of them are like animals or places or countries. So yeah, and then also I have myself a diary just so I can write like buses, times and everything like that. Also an adapter. I have two of these that I got from Palm World, hopefully they'll be okay. Pads and green tea, which I literally obsessed with. I have green tea like every day. I have like 3. I always have 3 bags, which people find really weird, but it's, I don't know, I just like it strong. But you never know, some places don't have green tea, and like I just have to have it every day, so I have some backup if I need it. What else? Contraceptive pills, because I'm seeing someone at the moment, and I think that it's always good to have contraception, just in case. Also, I have got myself a gift-gaff SIM, which has data on it, like I think it's like unlimited data, because I'm going to be using my phone a lot for the data, like maps and things, so I've got myself a new SIM card that's like better for the money and gives you more data. And I have basically 2 rucksacks. I have a 40 litre and a 65 litre one, but I'm really hoping that I can manage to fit everything into the 40 litre bag, because it's just less heavy. So this is my bag, the 40 litre. This is my 40 litre one, which looks really small. I got that from like Mountain Warehouse for like £30. I really like this one though, this one's like the better quality one. And I also got this one, Sports Direct, which cost me £24. Yeah, it's a 65 litre, but it's quite big. And I don't think it's as good quality. But yeah, I prefer the 40 litre because I don't know what size the lockers were going to be. So yeah, Also, that was basically the majority of my stuff that I'm taking that isn't clothes. I'll just let everyone know where I'm going. So where I'm going to Amsterdam, Hamburg, Copenhagen, Berlin, Prague, Budapest, Zagreb. I can't say this one, but it's in Slovenia, like Ljubljana. Oh, I can't say it, but the capital of Slovenia. And Munich, Bern. And then I meet my friend, hopefully, and we're gonna go around Italy for a bit. And then I'll go to Cologne on the way home and see my friend Rebecca. So yeah, that's basically my trip. I'm gonna basically upload another video on what clothes I'm taking, because I think the limit for YouTube is like 15 minutes for a video, so that's why I'm making a second one. But yeah, thank you for listening. I really hope that this has been useful to everybody, and I will be uploading like my travel vlogs of all the cities that I go to kind of encourage other people to go travelling, go backpacking. I am quite nervous about it, but yeah, anxious, because I haven't travelled alone for like a whole year, and it's like I'm doing quite a lot, I'm going a lot of places, but hopefully, I don't know, I'm sure it'll be fine. Like, Europe is completely safe, but I don't know, it's just quite normal. I think if you're by yourself, to be a little bit nervous, but it should be good. So yeah, I'm going to other places, and I hope that everyone likes the video. Bye bye.